This is a replacement tablet cover for the pink Vtech Innotab Max, model number 80-166850. The entire cover is a hard shell that does not bend, and you'll notice there are two things that look like pegs sticking out on either side of the cover. Installing this cover is quite easy and does not require any tools. You'll want to take the Innotab and flip it to the back. Here you will see two tiny little tabs towards the upper area on the left and right. Each of these tiny tabs is marked with a small down arrow. What that means is that you'll want to use your fingers to push down one of the tabs and then insert one of the pegs from the cover into the hole. Then repeat the same exact steps on the other side. Once the pegs are inserted into the holes, they are secure and the cover is completely attached. You can then open and close the cover as normal. Then, to remove the cover, you pretty much follow the same steps, doing one side at a time.